morning guys. For this video, punta tayo ng Baguio. Tara, let's go.
Labo-labo. Labo-labo.
Uy! 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 Uy!
Last time
Uy! B-boy!
Grabe Josh, dami na natin napagdaan.
Sino kasama niyo?
Last time you were here, birthday mo yun eh.
Oo nga, birthday ko yun.
March 3, 5. Tapos, ano na ngayon? April.
March 28.
That's what I said.
Labo-bu. Labo-labo. Labo-bu. 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 Labo-bu.
Okay, so nandito ngayon tayo sa Lechon House. May nag-e-emote po dito sa gilid.
Labo-bu.
Lechon sisig na lang po and lechon sinigang.
Wala nang lechon.
Bakit wala na? Walang dumating na order.
Hindi po, kakaubos nung din po ngayon.
Uwi ko 12 o'clock na. Hi guys.
So, this is our first time in Lechon House.
Kaso walang lechon.
Achichi.
Lugawan na walang lugaw.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa Lechon House and good news, wala silang lechon. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa dinadayo dito sa La Union.
Yeah. This is Philippine native.
Philippine native food.
Lakas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling.
Ganito pala yung Jollibee dito guys, nag-shutdown yung computer.
Lechon lang? Ano ba yan?
Hindi pa pala pumasok yung order, so pinamanual ko na lang. Pero I was waiting there like, ito mga 10 minutes din yan.
Okay, tapos namin mag-lunch sa Jollibee sa La Union. Dito nyo lang makikita yung sa La Union guys, Jollibee, promise, masarap doon. Ano masasabi mo doon, Do?
Sarap.
Sarap sa Jollibee, diba?
Lasang laon yan.
Sa La Union lang yan guys. So kung pupunta kayo ng La Union,
Dito tayo sa Crazy.
huwag kayo dito pupunta kasi walang lechon sa Lechon House. Welcome to Baguio. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Baguio sa aming pinagsistayan na hotel. Oh. Huli ka boy, muntikan pa madulas si Duo. Kitang-kita yun sa camera.
Huli pa.
Wow. Ganyan ka solid dito. Room tour. Nice, nice.
Hasn't it been cold here at night?
Fingers never. Alam mo yung campfire song?
Paano?
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Banayad whiskey.
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. It'll help if you just sing along.
Bum, bum, bum.
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song.
Hi, we are at Sakura Flowers. You know, crack the egg. Camera rolling, action.
We're in the Baguio, guys, and you can see from the below.
Yes, what's
Tutok
below?
Mo,
What's below?
There's
What's
a
below?
faucet and there's a garbage.
Okay,
Diba?
what can you say? What can you say about this venue?
I really love the Takeshi side.
Yes. Do you enjoy the food?
What food? Lechon?
Good news, wala silang lechon.
Cha.
Ito naman yung dining. Kita yan sa natin. This is the dining area.
Yes. This is my brother.
This is my sister. Hi guys, itutur ko kayo sa aking bahay. So ito yung aming terrace. Yan, you can see all the lights. Lahat to pinahanda ko para sa inyo. Dahil special kayo ngayong araw. Welcome to my hacienda with my brother duo. This is our vlog together. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, duo.
Okay.
So where are we today?
We're in the middle of the east.
East, middle of the east.
Yeah.
Okay, in the what city? What city are we?
The hive mind.
The Hive Mind.
Yeah.
Oh, we are in Baguio, bro. Oh, it's Miss Shane. Miss Shane, hello.
Oh, hi!
What are you doing here in Baguio?
Just hanging out.
Yeah.
you know.
Tonight, we are trying one of the most special food in Baguio. It's called cilantro. And yes, it's full of herbs. Duo, what can you say about the water in Baguio? Good news, wala silang lechon. Can you say about the weather here in Baguio? Oh my god. Are you okay, Miss Shane?
Look, shut up.
How about you, my
OA?
brother?
Ayoko talaga sa mga may ingay na tao.
Bakit?
Never ending midnight sun.
It's basically drills, math drills, na with enough practice, mamememorize mo na yung sagot. So, kunyari, 12 times 3, 36. You just know it. Like,
8 times 8.
You just know it
6
na.
times
Kabisado
6.
ko
kasi
yung multiplication
time limited
table.
yun, like 5 to 10 minutes lang to answer.
Ask me anything.
Okay, what is the square root of 10?
O hindi naman.
Madali lang yun.
Sige.
Square root of 10?
Kaya,
Tama ba to?
kotse na sa
Iria.
Okay, today we are going again. Yeah. Wow, bouncy.
It's not fat. It's collagen.
Pampaskin.
Wow.
Ano?
Kiss Na-miss mo ha?
Na-miss mo ako.
Jay, dati ko hawak ko.
Beat. Beat.
Balahibo, lalaruin siya at lalambingin, papakainin at mamahalin.
Alright.
Alright, nandito kami ngayon sa pupunta kaming bundok sa Baguio.
Tiga mo. Oh.
So, Panis.
Yes,
Panis
sir. Oh.
Nasakay kami sa pickup truck.
Mm.
Tapos mag-ikot kami. We are in the Greenlands of the Baguio.
Yes. Kita niyo yan?
Uy, gulay green. Ano
Hindi
yan?
nyo nakikita yan. Bulag kayo.
This is the open fields.
Tapos ipipave nyo na rin yung
This is open fields.
Jurassic. Ah.
Tapos na ang ating adventure.
Mm.
Tayo ay babalik na sa Manila.
Manila Zoo.
Sa Manila Zoo. Pakita mo yung view natin. Ito yung view namin, guys. Ito yung view ng
Nung biyanan ko.
shoutout sa'yo, Heart.
Bye Baguio. Bye Baguio.
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you've ever meant to my life.
Okay guys, so tapos na yung Baguio namin. Ngayon pauwi na kami. Pero bago kami umuwi, kakain muna kami dito sa Ate Rica's Baxilog, malapit sa lechonan na walang lechon.
You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye.
So ayun, tayo ay nakauwi na. Kita nyo naman guys, natulog na. Ang sarap na ng tulog ko. Hindi ko na masyadong na-videoan yung pagdating namin. Pero yun, that's all for this video. Iko-compile ko na lang siya into one vlog. See you next time guys. Peace.